Welcome back to another video of PHP course. In this video we will study if-else statement. So let's start with definition. The if-else statement executes some code if a condition is true and another code if that condition is false. This is the syntax of if-else statement. In first line we have if and a condition. In second line there will be a code which will be executed if the condition in first line is true. In fourth line there will be a code which will be executed if condition in first line is false. Here is the example of if-else statement. In this example we will output have a good day if current time is less than 20 and have a good night otherwise. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.